Welcome to this walkthrough on using Claude for business, specifically how to automate reports and supercharge your strategic decision making. Whether you're a manager, analyst, or business owner, Claude can save you hours of work every single week. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use Claude to write reports, analyze data, generate strategy documents, and automate your recurring content step by step. Accessing Claude and the interface. Start by going to Claude.ai in your browser. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up. It takes about 30 seconds. If you already have one, click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, this is Claude's main interface. On the left, you'll see your chat history and projects. In the center is the conversation area. This is where you type your prompts. For business use, make sure you're on Claude Pro or Team Plan, which gives you access to more powerful models and higher usage limits. If you don't have Pro, that's fine. Automating reports weekly and monthly. Let's start with one of the most common business tasks, writing a weekly status report. Instead of spending 45 minutes writing this from scratch, you're going to type one prompt and get a polished draft in seconds. Here's the prompt I'm using. Notice a few things. I start by telling Claude its role. You are a professional business report writer. This sets the tone immediately. Then I list exactly which sections I want, including a table. I also specify the tone, formal but concise, and ask for clean formatting with headers. The more specific your prompt, the better your output. Look at that. In under 10 seconds, Claude has generated a complete structured weekly report. There's the executive summary at the top, a goals versus actuals table with realistic placeholder data, and all the sections we asked for. You can now copy this directly into your email, Google Docs, or Word file. And this is the power move. You could follow up with more instructions right in the same chat. Watch this. I can immediately give Claude a scenario. I'll say, rewrite this as if the team missed their Q3 goal by 20% and add a corrective action plan. Claude remembers our entire conversation and will update the report accordingly. This is how you iterate. Just keep talking to it like a smart colleague. Uploading and analyzing data files. Now let's level this up. What if you have actual business data, a spreadsheet, a PDF report, or a CSV file? Claude can read and analyze it for you. Click the paperclip icon next to the message box to attach a file. With the file attached, I type my analysis prompt. I'm asking Claude to do 3 things. Identify top products, flag revenue dips over 10%, and give me strategic recommendations. This is what used to take an analyst an hour. Claude will do it in seconds. You can upload Excel files, PDFs, Word docs, CSV files, and even images. There it is, a complete data analysis. Claude has pulled out the top performers, flagged the dip months, and given 3 concrete strategic recommendations. If you want, you can ask it to reformat this as an executive brief, or ask follow-up questions like, what could happen to revenue if we discontinued the lowest performing product? Claude can model scenarios right here in the chat. Strategy documents and business plans. Next, strategy documents. This is where Claude really shines for business leaders. Whether you need a market entry strategy, a competitive analysis, a SWOT breakdown, or a full 90-day business plan, Claude can produce a professional first draft instantly. Here's a powerful strategy prompt. I'm asking Claude to act as a senior business strategist. That role framing matters. I've listed every section I want in the document: pricing tiers, a launch roadmap, KPIs. I ask for it to be detailed and actionable, not just generic. The output will be a multi-page strategy document you could actually present. Look at the depth here. A full customer profile, a 3-tier pricing structure, a competitive landscape section, and a 90-day launch roadmap broken into phases. This is not a generic template. Claude analyzed your prompt and built a document specific to B2B, SaaS, mid-market US launch. You can now ask Claude to expand any section, simplify the language, add industry statistics, or export it as a formatted document. Using projects for ongoing automation. Now I want to show you the most powerful feature for ongoing business automation: projects. Projects let you create a dedicated workspace for a specific topic or team where you can set permanent instructions, upload reference documents, and have all your related chats in one place. This means you never have to repeat your company context again. I'll name this project Monthly Reporting Marketing Team. Now, what are you trying to achieve? Over here, we would summarize our main demands from Claude, what we are expecting from Claude to do in this project. We want reports with insights, trend analysis, etc. So this is what I'm going to write. Automation, trend analysis, strategic recommendations. Now we'll click on Create Project. Now here's the magic. The project instructions field, this is where you give Claude permanent context that applies to every single conversation inside this project. Click into the instructions field. I'm pasting in our permanent business context. This tells Claude our company name, our industry, the specific metrics we track, our preferred report format, our fiscal year, and our brand tone. Every chat inside this project will start with Claude already knowing all of this. No more repeating yourself. You can also upload reference files here, like your brand guide, last year's reports, or your product one-pager. Now, every time I start a chat inside this project, Claude already knows everything about our business. I can just say, generate this month's MQL report comparing April to March. And Claude will know our metrics, our tone, and our format without me having to explain it again. This is true automation. Let me give you my true prompt tips before we wrap up. Tip 1, always assign a role. Act as a senior analyst will always outperform just asking a generic question. Tip 2, be specific about structure. Tell Claude exactly what sections, what format, what length. Tip 3, specify your audience. Board level or for a non-technical executive changes the output dramatically. And tip 4, use follow-ups. Never accept the first draft as final. Iterate. Say, make this more concise or add a risk column to the table. Claude improves with every instruction. And that's it. In under 5 minutes, you've seen how Claude can write your weekly reports, analyze your real business data, generate full strategy documents, and run as an automated reporting assistant through projects. The hours you spend each month on reports and strategy decks, Claude can handle the first draft in seconds, leaving you more time to think, decide, and lead. Head to Claude.ai to get started. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. There's a lot more Claude for Business content coming. See you in the next one.